Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time.
Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jake, this is my jam, and this is real life. It is Vlogmas, and the nice cold that my husband had, I now have. And videos must go on, so I thought I'd be in my pajamas. I have a brief interlude where I feel kind of okay, so I am going to do my unboxing today.
I got up off the couch just for this.
He did. So what I have is, this is a really exciting collaboration video. I am in collaboration with Autumn Beckman and Ed Braun and, let's see, I think Dawn and I think David from David's Closet. And well, I'll have everybody linked in the description box below. So I just want to make sure that I do this and have this ready. And so
Without further ado,
right, if you have been watching or you're a fan of Portland Leather Goods at all, you'll see that right now they're doing like the 12 days of Christmas, and they keep coming out with new things every one of the days, and it's driving me crazy. This was actually from before then, but
you know what just occurred to me?
What?
You know what just occurred to me?
What?
I'm Batman.
We're not Batman.
Kind of sound like him.
Okay, so they had a couple new things come out before the 12 days of Christmas, and this is my order from them. So I'm gonna show you what I got because they had a bunch of cute little fun things. I think we all got some different things, probably some duplicates, but yeah, Eva from Fuchsia Flame, I'm sure she's doing it too. So yeah, so this one came with some packaging here. And I have, oh, here I can tell what each thing is. So I'm going to just open this up quick and show you what I got. Now, this is a new bag. Excuse me.
That's sexy.
I'm sure it's really sexy. Sorry. And this is one I'm probably most excited to get. Well, I'm excited about all of it. This is a new bag they came out with, and I think it's called, does it tell me what it's called? I believe it's called, yeah, the Raindrop Crossbody Bag, and I actually know the color of this one. This is in Cinnamon Bear. Oh, this is nice. Okay.
Does it smell like cinnamon?
No, it smells like leather.
Oh.
But it's really nice. It's just a nice kind of smaller size crossbody.
I can't smell. So.
Smaller than the mini one, and it does come with an adjustable strap. The strap is removable.
So you can't use it as a crossbody.
Yeah, it's crossbody, and then there's the interior. I like how this is done because they've taken the bottom and sewn the flat piece on, so you don't have that thing puckering up in the middle of the bag. But yeah, so this is a new piece they have, and mine is in the Cinnamon Bear color.
The bag itself is new, a new style?
Yes.
Okay, is the color new too?
Yes, well, new to me. It's Cinnamon Bear. I might be new to the site or one that they've had before, but just brought back again.
Which is surprising with how many bags you have.
Yeah, I know. There's lots, and there's more every day. In December, they've been coming out with a new color.
Damn.
So it's been brutal not getting everything like I want to. Yes. Okay. This is a new SLG they have. Let's see if it says what it's called. Oh yeah, the Love Bug little wallet, and this is in the color Aqua. So this is like a card holder. It has a snap, and then it's got 3 slots for you to put your cards in. So that's in the color Aqua. I did not have anything in this color, so I was glad to get that. This is like Christmas. It's probably good I'm in front of the tree. This, I've been wanting something in this color for a long time. So this is in the color mint, and it's their little new heart key pouch. This is actually a pouch. It opens up. You could put a little bit in there. Bet you can guess what this is. This is another heart.
Oh, I thought it was a dragon.
And this one's in the color Clementine. This is a lot like, I think it's called Satsuma, something like that. It's very similar to that, but it's a little more orange. And it's got a nice pebbling to it. Then I got something I can't open. I got one of their new round coin purses, and this is in their black color.
It's not onyx or charcoal or midnight.
No, it's called black. But it was called, okay, that's the wrong one. Let's see. Okay, I'm picking up every wrapper except for that one.
Pick up the one that's not a heart.
Right, is this it? Yeah, Shadow Black. Shadow Black. So I got these little keychains from them. Thought they were fun. There were more that I wanted, but they sold out. Like people, once they came to the site, everybody was clamoring to get them, and they did. I got two more little small SLGs. This is another Love Bug, and this is in the color Havana. I always want one of every color. Not one of every color. I want every color. It doesn't have to be the same item. But this is another one of those wallets.
What's the color? Havana or
This
Savannah?
Havana, but this is the smaller version. So this one only has like the 2 spots,
Okay.
not 3.
All right.
And this is kind of a metallic color. Got another Love Bug wallet. I love this color. This is in the color Matcha.
Kind of a dark green.
Kind of medium
Kelly
green.
green,
And this is
yeah.
a smaller one again. And then I got one more item here. I'm gonna try to open this up quickly. Oh yeah. This color came out and I wanted it, and I put it off getting it, and then I finally, when these things came out, decided to just get this as well. And let's see. Oh, bigger bag. This is the large Lola bag with a zipper and a removable adjustable strap, and this is in the color Merlot. I just thought this was really pretty. It's kind of a brushed leather as well. You can see, I could write my name in there, J. So that's this one.
Is that a new style or a new bag?
It's a style they already had,
Okay.
but it's a new color,
Okay.
and we had like having at least something in every color. So I got this one.
Do you have a tote that size?
No, I have one of these that's smaller.
Okay.
But, well, I guess my medium ones are probably about that size. So that is my Portland Leather Goods order. I have another one coming. Not sure if that'll make Vlogmas or not.
Oh, Lord.
We're going to see how things go. I have a few more videos that I want to get filmed and had planned to get filmed, and we'll see how we're doing. But I really appreciate you watching today. This nice little cozy in front of the tree in my pajamas while I'm sick video. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to watch everybody's videos. I'll link them in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed to me, it's the perfect Christmas present for me. Wonder what you could get me? You could subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And I do love when people leave comments down below, though. It helps me get to know everybody a little bit more as we interact in the comments, so I really appreciate that. can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm at James Jam there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Merry Christmas from Batman.